Now let's give an introduction about the Hadoop software. Mainly our software uses Hadoop as a database. So R and Hadoop are used together. R has the analysis capability and Hadoop has the storage capability. So R and Hadoop are used together. So Apache Hadoop is an open source Java framework for processing and querying vast amount of data on large clusters of commodity hardware. Hadoop is a top level Apache project initiated and led by Yahoo and Doug Cutting. So Hadoop is actually it is an Apache project and it is initiated by Yahoo and also Doug Cutting. The main company behind the Apache Hadoop project is Yahoo and the person is Doug Cutting. It relies on an active community of contributors from all over the world for its success. So all over the world so many people are using Apache Hadoop and also they contribute for the success for Apache Hadoop. With a significant technology investment by Yahoo, Apache Hadoop has become an enterprise-ready cloud computing technology. So it can also perform well in cloud platform. So Apache Hadoop is already a cloud computing technology. It is becoming industry de facto framework for big data processing. So Hadoop is mainly used for big data processing. Not for small data, it is used for big data processing. Hadoop changes the economics and the dynamics of large-scale computing. It has four characteristics. Four characteristics of Hadoop are scalable, cost-effective, flexible, and fault-tolerant. These are the four features or characteristics of Hadoop. And Apache Hadoop has two main features or components, that is HDFS and MapReduce. HDFS means Hadoop Distributed File System and MapReduce. And the various Hadoop components used for performing various operations other than core HDFS and MapReduce layer. Other than the core HDFS layer and MapReduce layer, we have various other components for Hadoop. These are the main components, that is Mahout, Pig, Hive, HBase, Scoop, Zookeeper, Ambari. These are the main components of Hadoop. A few popular components of Hadoop are, first one is Mahout. This is an extensive library of machine learning algorithms. So library of algorithms, it is named as Mahout. Pig. Pig is a high level language like Perl. So it is a high level language to analyze the large data sets and it has its own language syntax. Hive is a data warehouse system for Hadoop. It is used for data summarization and also queries and also analysis of large data sets which are stored in HDFS. It has its own query language called Hive Query Language, HQL. Not SQL, it is HQL, Hive Query Language. Next is HBase. HBase means Hadoop database. It is a distributed database, column-oriented database. HBase uses HDFS for storage. Next is Scoop. Scoop is an abbreviation for SQL to Hadoop. SQL to Hadoop. The short form is Scoop. It is also used for transferring bulk data between Hadoop and a relational database. Next is Zookeeper. Another component is Zookeeper. Zookeeper is a centralized service to maintain configuration information, naming, and also for providing distributed synchronization and group services. Next is Ambari. Ambari is a web-based tool for provisioning, managing, and monitoring the Hadoop clusters. So these are the components of Hadoop. Now understanding the reason for using R and Hadoop together. R and Hadoop are always used together. Why it is So it is because of the reason that R has very strong analytical power. The strength of the R lies in its ability to analyze the data using a rich library of packages. But it has a disadvantage that it cannot work with very large data sets. That is, R cannot work with big data. But the strength of the Hadoop is to store and process very large amount of data in TB and even PB range. But such vast data cannot be processed in memory as the RAM of each machine cannot hold such large data sets. So the option is to couple the R with Hadoop. So the analytical power of R and the storage and processing power of Hadoop can be combined together, and then you can arrive at an ideal solution. So combining the analytical power of R and also the storing and processing power of Hadoop, these two are combined together and you will get a good solution. So R and Hadoop are used together. Such solutions can also be achieved in cloud platforms like Amazon EMR. Amazon EMR is a cloud package which provides the same solution just like R and Hadoop.